Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Is Bitcoin about to have one of the biggest crashes we've seen in a long time? And I'm talking a price of $21,000. Do I have your attention? If I do, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're watching. I'm gonna show you some charts, ones that you can take with you on your journey and really prepare you for what could potentially come. This is the weekly time frame. I'm going to take you through this one, and I'm also going to show you this chart here, and both charts measure up to some form of big crash that could seriously come, and I'm looking at a price of $21,000. Before I go any further, I need to let you know I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. If you want to start off, actually, no, let's start off with this one. I was going to start with this one, but I want to start with this one first. I've got the exponential ribbons, which you can see here, which is the yellow lines, orangey and a reddy color. And I've drawn circles right here. These mark the crashes that we've had in Bitcoin's price when the yellow line has come below these orangey red lines. It basically represents a trend in the reversal and that we are actually in a bear market. And as you can see, 2014 to 2015's top, you can look at the date down here, 2014 to 2015's. This was the precise time when the yellow line in the EMA ribbons crossed underneath, and as you can see, the yellow line came underneath. Price action for Bitcoin just resisted. It couldn't break above, and it resisted right until it had a cross back, and you can see this cross right here. You see right here, that was the cross that it had again when it was able to get back above this ribbon, the yellow line. And take a look further, because this is something that has happened three times in its history. One here, look. Back in so we had the 2017's top. We came down and take a good look at these ribbons. And I've been trying to say this to you guys for a while. I seriously believe there's a big crash coming. And also you can look at it as a fine opportunity to be buying crypto. If you haven't been watching my channel and you're new to it, I've done videos on this. Look, major Bitcoin move coming, mega buy of a lifetime. Make sure you check these videos out, because look, Bitcoin could be in danger. These videos, I'm putting it to your alert because I want you to be prepared, because if you're holding Bitcoin now, maybe this can help you, decide when to be taking profits, for that big drop and then buy back in. So look, again, 2018, we had the yellow line tangle with the ribbons and it crossed and it came underneath, and this spelled a bad drop, massive drop. And what kind of drop are we talking? And if I can go back from the other one as well if you want. These drops are not, they're really big drops. You're talking about 50% drop in price on the weekly time frame. And then I've got another one over here. This was the COVID, but take a look. So you see the yellow line is crossed just here with the red, and it came underneath. It was short-lived, and then it came back above, and then we saw price action go crazy. So usually when they're on the weekly time frame, which you can see here for Bitcoin, when the yellow comes back above the tangled, then that's a bullish sign, bullish trend. And I want to show you how much of a drop this was here. So you're talking right at the wick, about 52% drop. Okay, from when the body candle closed underneath. Where are we today right now? So if you take a look, we are underneath. And have a good look at what's happening to the ribbon. And the reason I'm trying to put this to your attention is because in the next couple of weeks, maybe couple of months, we may see the same thing happen again. Now, I've been, I showed you, look, just here so you can see this, right? Just let me quickly switch over to this one here. I showed you this chart. And I said that I can see a hidden bullish divergence, which when price action has a trend line where price bounces on top of it and it's making high highs. And then as you can see in the stochastic RSI, we had lower lows. Let me just bring this up so you can see it a bit more clearly. Hold on. I've got something in my mouth. Here we go. So you can see the hidden bullish divergence. Price action's up, and the RSI is bounced on the bottom. That's usually a bullish sign, and I always believe that if this is going to play out as a bullish sign, this might be what everyone's waiting for. The price of Bitcoin to bounce in between these trend lines here, which most people have seen, in different videos if you're watching other YouTubers, and it could come back up here. But if it breaks this trend line here, I believe we're going straight down to this red line here, which is the 200-week moving average here, 200-week. And you have to seriously pay attention to the 200-week. Why? Because if you look at the past, again, along with the ribbons and this, when you look at the past, whenever Bitcoin's gone on a crazy rally, whenever it's had to fall back down in a bear market, it has always touched this red line without fail. And I showed you other videos like of the 50-week. When we broke the 50-week, we fell down to this line here, 200-week. You can see it clearly. Take a look. Look, bear market, straight down to the 50. Look, we had the crash, COVID crash, straight down to the 200-week. COVID crash, straight down to the 200-week average. Let's move it back so you can see further back in time. Look at this, look. We had 2014, 2015's top cycle, look, 2013, 2014, and in 2015, straight down to the red line. Guys, please pay attention. If you're holding Bitcoin, please pay attention, because if this happens, where does it lead us? This takes us straight down to here. Look, guys, look at the price. I'm not making silly things up. I'm showing you what I see in showing you what I see in the charts, and it's saying 21,647, roughly 21k, and that could seriously be a buying opportunity of a lifetime. Will it last down there? Maybe not. It might be down there for a period of time. Then you see prices come back up. But I'm pretty sure that when prices come down to this red line, it's gonna mark the bottom of the bear market. That's all I'm saying. Will it happen now? I don't know. Time's gonna tell. But this red line's moving up. So, as time goes on, the longer it takes, this line's moving up. So, anywhere from 21, 23, 25, something like that is what I'm looking for at the bare minimum for Bitcoin. Let me bring these up again, the stochastic RSI. You can see here, look, on the weekly, this stochastic RSI still shows that there's momentum to come down now in the price, because we've had sell pressure, and it's still coming downwards, because you've had the cross where the blue line crosses with the red line. You can see it coming down, and every time we've seen this cross down like this and this, you can see a price action. Usually it comes down. Well, this one was a small drop from here to here, but there was still momentum coming down the stochastic RSI. I just want you guys to really pay attention to what's going on right now with this chart here. Many people believe that this could be a bear flag, and a bear flag represents when we've had price action down like this, they classes this as the pole, and then you've got this price action going in between these two trend lines, and that's usually classed as a bear flag. Well, guys, take a look at where the bear flag leads you should it break it. Again, you're looking at prices right down here near the red line. If we was to draw where the red line could go in time, my drawing's rubbish. Something like that. You're looking again at prices right down here for where we could see Bitcoin, which matches up near enough spot on 21,000 again, something like that. So keep your eye on this. Don't be fooled by what people are saying. If you see Bitcoin's price go up and it's pumping, great, but just think about maybe considering taking profits if it does. Now, if it's going to stay within this price range over the next couple of weeks, month, and you get a chance to maybe consider taking profits, I don't know. I'm only showing you what I see. Maybe somewhere up here within this price range could be a good opportunity. I'll make it yellow. Golden line. I don't know, $49,000 to $50,000. If, Bitcoin comes back above, that for me would be a seriously good time to sell. And I tell you what, if you're a patron of mine, I'm going to alert you. When that time comes, I'm going to alert you. Guys, you've already seen my my sell alerts and buy alerts. You saw when I was selling my Bitcoin. So big up to you guys if you followed that sell alert. Because I tell you what, we sold near enough. What price was we selling at before? I can't remember. Maybe $49,000 at the time. Where's the chart gone? Because I remember doing a sell alert a while back ago. Maybe, when it broke the 50K, the 50, one of these EMAs, the 50 is the second orange. So round about here was when I put the sell alert in. So what you talking about? $43,000. Well, I'll tell you what, I would rather sell at $43,000 instead of seeing this entire crypto Bitcoin chart collapse all the way down to this red line here, 20,000. So, be prepared. And again, if it goes up to 50, because, I didn't sell the whole lot, I still got some left over. It was a portion. Then I'll look at selling the rest. So, yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. If you liked it, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Become a patron, because you will be alerted exactly when I do these alerts and charts and stuff, and you won't miss nothing. If you want, I usually say go for my exclusive VIP partner tier. I'm going to open it up. This one here, it gives you all my posts. You can see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm staking. You see indicators and charts and all these different things. If you want that a little bit more, go for my CEO tier. Gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. I talk to them in that group way before I do anything, way before I buy, way before I sell. It's all in there. You can check it out. There's high crypto profile users in this space, and they know how to make money. That's all I'm saying. Guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Cheers.